Do you know how the casting plant produces cast iron floor drains? Today, let me take everyone into the casting manufacture of cast iron floor drains. First of all, in order to produce cast iron floor drain, you need to use a large-sized modeling machine. The sand size of this modeling machine is 800x1450 mm. The modeling machine is loading and shaping. Does it look very high? Use the modeling machine to replace the traditional handmade shape. Our technical master is training employees how to use the modeling machine. After simple training, you can use it to operate production. Sand size 800x1450 mm for automatic modeling machine. The working principle of the advanced double-ray barrel double-sided shooting sand is used. The upper and lower sandbox independent sand barrels. The sand is uniform, and the amount of sand can be adjusted independently. Simple operation, higher efficiency, better tightness, can be used as a large-sized product casting. The firming hardness of the upper and lower sand can reach around 85. The modeling machine is squeezed by hydraulic pressure, and the pressure CNC can be adjusted. Stress can also be adjusted to larger. After the sand type of cast iron floor drain is done, push it to the molding line. Using the molding line can realize the automatic iron press function, and can reduce the steps of artificially removed sand. Very convenient and automated operation, saving manpower and material resources. Sand type mobile uses a hydraulic oil cylinder to promote the board. Through design and layout, the automation circulating production system is realized. The design layout of the fully automatic molding line mainly considers the cooling time required for castings. Factors such as the use area of the plant, as well as the location of the sand treatment, can be designed as 2 rows, 3 rows or 4 rows for molding line. If you want to know more, please contact me. 008613907077. We are a manufacturer that specializes in the production of fully automatic modeling machines and modeling lines. The use of the 2 rows of molding lines. After the production of sand is completed, you can cast iron water. Iron water is dissolved through the furnace of the front end to dissolve the original iron material. This casting plant is used to use artificial cast iron water. The sand size shaped sand was cooled and vibrated. The sand used in the modeling machine is processed by the front-end sand mix device. The rough casting can be out of the product after shot blasting and post-processing. The processed casting products can be shipped after painting and packing. The effect of casting iron floor drain in the casting factory using the modeling machine. If you are interested in this machine, please contact me. WhatsApp or WeChat number 008613907077. Thanks.